That's a wrap for the season for this pond. It is shut down. It's gone for the winter. It's still looking a little blue, but it's ready for bed. This is at the Ritz Carlton in New Hyde Park. They've never had a cleaning. They need one, so we would drain this down. It does have a liner. We would drain, clean it out. I think this is an overflow area we could drain into. We would then clean out all the leaves, debris in this thing. So we are in the midst of draining. Yeah, this thing was probably about, well, now right where we are, that is where it was where I saw it the other day. I'm gonna put my sunglasses on. It's not sunny, but that was where we are the other day, depth-wise. We had like, I don't know, 5 inches of rain in the past 2 days. So we're draining it down and we're finally back to where we should have been. I brought in the big pump right over there that's draining this thing out to help us as well to get this drain down. Moving along. We got 3/4 of the way down. Now pushing in all the sludge that's on the sides of it into the bottom area. And then we'll turn the big pump back on. We'll drain this sucker back out the rest of the way. Yeah, we got this side worked on, then we're going to hop over to do this side. It's our end of our day. We got this thing drained down, cleaned out all the weeds, phragmites, grass, everything in this thing, drained it and hosed it all down, and now it's slowly filling back up. Put the two Air Max systems back in there that make fountains and water. Make fountains run, jeez. Make the fountains run and lights. If you look at this, whoever built this, they put a liner in, like you see there, and then they covered it with dirt and gravel. Everywhere with dirt and gravel. So we kind of smoothed it out the best we could, but this thing was covered in there with dirt and gravel. We made it nicer, wrapped up like, you know, my analness will, get those nicely coiled up. Everything else is set in there, and we have 2 hoses going. This will take a while to fill. We do have a sprinkler line back over there that hopefully they can open that up for us, because this thing will take some time to get going. So we offered them some maintenance program for taking care of these things, and we just gotta wait to see what they say. You ever wonder what it looks like to take care of a pond? How about a big pond that needs to get a cleaning and draining down? Well, keep on watching because we'll show you what it took to get this drained out. How many pumps do you think we used? I'll give you a hint. It's more than one, but it's less than 10.